Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Honda Accord automatic. First, always ensure your parking brake is engaged before you even think about starting the engine. Next, firmly press the brake pedal and then push the engine start button. Take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors so you have the best possible view and feel comfortable behind the wheel. This preparation is key for a smooth and safe drive. Once you're ready to go, shift the gear selector to D for drive. This engages the forward gears. Now, gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving the vehicle smoothly. Remember, a light touch is all you need. As you drive, always maintain a safe following distance from other cars and pay close attention to posted speed limits. Driving an automatic is all about smooth, controlled movements. When it's time to stop, apply steady, even pressure to the brake pedal to bring your Accord to a smooth halt. Once you've reached your destination and are completely stopped, shift the gear selector to P for park. This locks the transmission. Finally, always engage the parking brake after parking to ensure your vehicle is securely held in place, especially on inclines. These steps ensure your car is safely parked. For longer trips, utilize your Accord's cruise control feature to maintain a consistent speed on highways, which can also help with fuel efficiency. It's also crucial to regularly check your tire pressure and fluid levels, like oil and windshield washer fluid, to ensure your car is always running safely and efficiently. And speaking of upgrades, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing device, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keeping up with these simple maintenance checks will extend your car's life and keep you safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.